all this war situation, how is it affecting gold?
So, whenever something uncertain happens, like a war, like a possibility of a global something like a havoc, including something like COVID, anything which is bad news becomes good news for gold. So gold is a doomsday asset, which we call it as simple. Funds across the world, it could be hedge funds, pension funds, investors, including retail investors, actually tend to move their some of their asset to gold, because if they are anticipating, due to the war and geopolitical uncertainty, if the equity markets or global capital markets might get disturbed and might not perform, except some businesses which are war related businesses, defense and all. So in anticipation of a stock market correction, people want to book profits there and move to something else. What is that something else? Is generally gold, right? So if the interest rates are far higher, if you are getting, let's say, double digit FD interest, then gold will not be a preferred asset. Then people will go to FDs, right? But if FDs are also, or the interest rates are lower and there is uncertainty, there will be far more demand for gold, right? So the perfect recipe for gold is inflation, high inflation, low interest rate, and any financial or political uncertainty. If you put all these into a mix, then gold will explode.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.